we have a catch and cook video. It's my tortilla press for making. Yeah, dude, front quality and literally 10. Okay, well, we have a catch and cook video for you guys today. We have been out all day long going for yellowfin. Now, if you are anything like me or have been fishing for yellowfin in the past, you will know that it is very hit and miss. And unfortunately for us, donuts. We got zip. So big day on the water. We had all intentions to get one, fill it up, and then do this really cool catch and cook for you guys. That didn't pan out, so we've just got back home. We've given the boat a clean. We actually had some frozen in the freezer already, which was from a trip Mick did earlier in the year. Now, Mick, I don't know if you want to explain that.
Yeah, so we did a trip in November last year to Vanuatu. We had a ripper at the time, especially on the yellowfin, and we actually brought a heap back. It's actually, I believe currently it's 10 kilos per person you can bring back.
Which is pretty cool.
Within it. Like, you've got to be skinned, vac sealed, frozen, whatever.
But probably a lot of people don't realise that it's very easy to bring fish from another country back into Australia.
Super easy. Obviously look into it if you're going to do it, but it is very straightforward.
So we've actually got some yellowfin here, which is cool. Not caught today, which is a shame, but we have a really cool recipe for you guys today. So Mick, why don't you give us a little run through what we're doing?
Yeah, so we're going to be using our tortilla press. We're going to be slicing the fish in relatively thin slices. Going to be pressing it, and then we're going to be laying them out on a plate. We've got some oil, lime, and some chili flakes, and yeah, normally works really well.
Cool, let's see how we go. So this is just my tortilla press for making, well, obviously tortillas or tacos or anything like that. And all you do is you put some, baking paper down, put whatever it is you're pressing, which is usually dough, and then give it a old smash down. So that is going to be what we are going to do with the yellowfin. I don't even know how much you're going to need. That's probably enough. I'd probably just go 2 pieces.
Yep. Battling the wind a bit here. All right.
Big smash.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, dude.
Look at that.
That is so cool.
Get it straight onto a plate. Easy done.
Oh, dude. That's it. How good was that?
That is it.
Righto, let's give it some toppings and some garnishes, and let's have a taste, shall we? Dude, I thought that'd be way harder.
So easy.
Right.
I was going to open this up too.
So what, a big squirt of lemon, swish of lime, or probably need quite a lot of lemon.
Yeah, get some lemon on there.
We do want to cook it as much as possible.
These have just been come off the tree 5 minutes ago. There might be a little bit. Oh no.
Oh no, not much happening in the way of the juice coming out. Yeah, get your finger in there, mate. Yum.
Olive oil.
Damn, that looks so good. I do love my chili. Yeah, definitely.
There you have it. Simple as that.
Now that is restaurant quality in literally 10 seconds. Ready to go. You want to do the honours?
Let's go. I reckon it's easy as a semi-do a roll.
Yeah, dude. Is she good?
Excellent. It's it makes it extremely tender. I guess like any meat that gets pressed, but unreal. Just such a good way, simple way of doing it.
Sick. Hell yeah.
Let's go.